Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we save you from making those regrettable purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights in the ring, the QIDI MAX3 and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. QIDI MAX3 comes in at a hefty $1,099. That's right, folks. You could either buy this printer or a used car. Meanwhile, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is priced at $599. A bit easier on the wallet, but will it deliver? Let's see. When it comes to speed, the QIDI MAX3 boasts an impressive 600 millimeters per second. That's faster than a caffeinated squirrel on a sugar rush. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus isn't too shabby either, with 500 millimeters per second. It's like comparing a Ferrari to a Lamborghini. They're both fast enough to get you speeding tickets. But let's be real. Unless you're in a race to print 1 million Yoda heads, either of these will do just fine. Advantage? Slight nod to QIDI MAX3. Next, let's talk about build volume. The QIDI MAX3 gives you a roomy 325 by 325 by 315 millimeters. You could print a small village in there. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus offers 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters. That extra height means you can print your very own Eiffel Tower replica, if that's your thing. So if you're looking to print tall, ELEGOO takes the cake here. But remember, size isn't everything, or so they say. Now, precision and stability. The QIDI MAX3 comes with an ultra-stable all-metal frame, 6 mm aluminum heat bed, and 10 mm hardened hollow steel linear shafts. It's like the Hulk of 3D printers, solid and reliable. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, though, has input shaping, pressure advancing, and acceleration sensors on the X and Y axes. It's like the Tony Stark, tech-savvy and precise. Both are great, but if I had to pick one, I'd say QIDI MAX3 for its brute strength. Both printers feature direct drive extruders. QIDI MAX3 can handle high-performance materials like PA12CF and ABS-GF. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, with its high-temp nozzle and 5.2:1 reduction ratio, also offers versatility, handling PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even nylon. It's like the chef that can whip up anything from a gourmet meal to instant noodles. Versatility is key, but if you're into exotic filaments, QIDI MAX3 edges out a bit. Finally, ease of use. QIDI MAX3 is fully assembled and auto-leveling out of the box. It's basically the IKEA furniture you don't have to assemble. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus also offers easy setup with Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN connectivity. It's like the tech-savvy friend who makes everything look easy. Both are user-friendly, but QIDI MAX3 gets a slight nod for being truly plug-and-play. Both printers have garnered positive reviews from users. Reviewers of the QIDI MAX3 praise its build quality, customer service, and ability to handle various materials with high print quality. On the other hand, ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus reviewers appreciate its ease of setup, large build volume, and excellent print quality, though some mention the need for regular maintenance and adjustments. So there you have it, folks. The QIDI MAX3 is the Hulk with Swiss Army knife versatility, while the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is the Iron Man of 3D printers, tech-savvy and precise. Which one's better? Well, that's up to you and your printing needs. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards and why. And remember, whether you go Hulk or Iron Man, you're making a smart buy. Until next time, stay smart. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another comparison. See you next time. Product links are in the description.